Hi guys, my name is J. Nagamaleshwara. Today I am giving the demonstration on patterns, C patterns, how I display the different types of patterns. With a single program, different types of patterns are displaying with the help of small modifications in our program. A small modification is enough to display the different types of patterns. Now watch. First, you have to concentrate the pattern format. Suppose I want to display the pattern like this. Means a pyramid shape or triangle shape. How many stars? Finally, I got 5 stars. Means 5. First, you will draw the number of lines, that is we call as rows. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Columns, number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next 6, 7, 8, 9. But you concentrate from 1 to 5 rows, 1 to 5 columns. Before, in first row, before the hashtag, you must display the 4 spaces. In second row, before the star, you display the 3 spaces. In third row, you must display the 2 spaces. Fourth row, 4 spaces is enough. You must use the 2 for loops. One for loop for row purpose, one for loop for column purpose, and special for loop for spaces. Spaces plays an important role to display the pattern, triangle pattern, spaces. Now watch the program. Every C program must start with hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h. std means standard I input output, h means header file, conio console input output header file, hash means preprocessor directives, void main opening of the program, closing of the program. Next, I want to declare the 2 variables, I for row, j for column purpose, one more, n is equal to 5. In this pattern, I want to display the 5 rows, 5 stars. Next, one for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. How many rows? 5 rows. This is the opening of the for loop, this is closing of the for loop. Next, outer for loop. Before writing the outer for loop, I am decreasing the value by 1, n minus minus. N contains the value 5, minus minus means 4. Why I am using the n minus minus? Why I am decreasing the value 1? Please watch. In first row, I want to place the how many spaces? 4 spaces. With the help of this variable, I place the 4 spaces. Means I repeat the loop 4 times based upon the n. n minus minus means 5 minus minus 4. Next, I want to write the one for loop for, that is a special for loop for spaces, to display the spaces. For s is equal to 1, s less than or equal to n, s plus plus. This is the opening of the opening of the for, this is the closing of the spaces for. You must declare the one more variable s here. Simply end with a semicolon. Next, I want to display the space. Print f means formatted. What I am formatting? Space. I simply giving the one space between the double quotations, semicolon. That is enough. This is a closing of the for. Next, I want to write the one more for loop for, to display the stars. I j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus, opening of the for, closing of the for, print f printf. I want to display the only stars. You must give the one more space here also, because star displaying after, I want to display the space also here. Star after one space, star after another space, third star after one more space. That's why I am placing the one space after star. Close. Next, I want to place the printf, the escape sequence character /n, means the cursor goes to the next line. After finishing of the every row, the cursor goes to the next line. After finishing of the second row, control goes to the third row. That's why I am using the /n. Now watch the execution starting from the here I is equal to 1. Next, the control comes to here n minus minus means 4. N minus minus means 4. The value 4. 1 less than or equal to 4. How many times this loop repeats? 4 times. That's why it display the 4 spaces. After finishing of this loop, the control goes to the next for loop, starting from the j less than or equal to I. J means 1, less than or equal to I means also 1, I means 1. The control goes to the printf statement. It display the star and also space. After finishing of this for loop, the control goes to the printf statement. It contains the /n, means the cursor goes to the next line and blinking here. Same process I am continuing. The control comes back to outer for loop. I plus plus means 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. True. N minus minus means 4 minus minus is equal to 3. Here, inner space for loop repeats how many times? 3 times. We display it spaces the 3 spaces after j. I value modified, I value is 2, I value is 2. It start from the j value 1, you display the star space, and also j plus plus 2, 2 less than or equal to 2, condition true, display the one more star and also space. The control comes back. Next 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, the condition is true, 3 minus minus is 2, means you display the only 2 spaces, but the I value was modified, display the 3 stars, star space, star space, star space, star space. Continue this process. Finally, you got the output like this. This is the important interview question. Okay, one more pattern. A small modification is enough to display the another pattern. If I want to write the percentile d, comma, if I place the j value, percentile d for, this is the formatted string for integer, I display the only j value, you display the only 1 in the place of the star 1. Next 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. The pattern like this. In the place of the hashtags, it is simply replacing the jth value. It display the 1, next time 1 2, next to 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, how I display the another pattern? A small one more modification is enough to display the another pattern. Please watch. If I place the, in the place of the j, if I place the I, the pattern is like this. The pattern is like this. 1 1, next 2 2, next 3 3 3, 4 4 4 4, 5 5 5 5 5. The pattern like this. In first row display the only ones, second row twos, third row threes, fourth row fours, fifth row fives. Suppose one more modification is enough to display the another type of pattern. Please watch. If I am removing the space, after this control string, after this I am placing the percentile d within the double quotations. I remove the after space. I got the output like this. Please watch. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5, like this. Have you got it? Next, okay, if I am placing the, in the place of the I, if I am placing the j, you display the another pattern. One more pattern. Please watch. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. This is the final output. Today I am discussing the patterns, how I display the different types of patterns with small modifications. Got it? Thank you for watching.